In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check if your tax return was accepted in TurboTax. If you recently filed your taxes and want to confirm that everything went through properly, this process is simple and only takes a few minutes. The main thing to understand is that TurboTax helps you get to the right tracking page, and then the IRS provides the most up-to-date status for your federal return. To get started, open your web browser and go to the TurboTax Refund Tracker page. This is the page TurboTax uses to help you check whether your federal return has moved forward and whether refund tracking is available yet. Once you're on that page, look for a message about your federal return. If your return has already been accepted, you'll see a notice letting you know that you can begin tracking your refund. That acceptance message is important because it means your return was successfully received and passed along for processing. From there, click on Track Federal Refund. This will take you to the next stage of the process so you can view your federal tax return status in more detail. After you click, you'll be redirected to the IRS Where's My Refund tool. This is the official IRS tracking system, so it's the best place to check the current status of your return. On the IRS page, enter your Social Security number or ITN in the required field. Make sure you type it carefully so the system can match your information correctly. Next, select the correct tax year. This matters because the IRS tracks returns by year, and choosing the wrong one can lead to an error or no result. After that, choose your filing status exactly as it appears on your tax return. Then enter your refund amount exactly as shown on your return. Be as accurate as possible here, since even a small difference can prevent the system from finding your record. When everything is filled in, click Submit or Check My Refund Status, depending on the button shown on the page. Now review the result. If your return has been accepted, the IRS will typically show that it has been received or is being processed. That confirms your return is in the system. If it hasn't been accepted yet, don't worry. Sometimes updates take a little time, so check back again later. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.